Course Overview. This SEO course is designed to cover everything from beginner to advanced level SEO strategies. It is suitable for marketers, business owners, web developers, bloggers, freelancers, and anyone looking to improve their digital marketing skills. The course typically includes videos, readings, assignments, live projects, and practical tools to help participants gain hands-on experience. Course Modules Breakdown. Module 1. Introduction to SEO Basics. What is SEO and why it matters? How search engines work: Google, Bing, etc. Difference between organic and paid search results. Understanding search engine result pages SERPs. White hat versus black hat SEO techniques. Outcome. Learn fundamental concepts of SEO and how search engines evaluate and rank websites. Module 2. Keyword research and analysis. Importance of keyword research. Types of keywords. Short tail versus long tail keywords. Using tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ahrefs, and SEMrush. How to find low competition, high traffic keywords. Analyzing competitors' keywords. Creating a keyword strategy for your website. Outcome. Identify relevant keywords that attract targeted traffic and optimize content effectively. Module 3. On-Page SEO Optimization. Creating SEO-friendly titles and meta descriptions. Best practices for URL structure. Optimizing headings H1, H2, H3 tags. Keyword placement in content. Image optimization, alt text compression. Content readability and internal linking strategy. Mobile-friendly optimization, responsive design. Outcome. Understand how to structure and optimize individual web pages for better search rankings. Module 4. Technical SEO. What is technical SEO and why it matters? Website speed optimization, Google Core Web Vitals. Setting up SSL HTTPS for site security. XML sitemaps and robots.txt configuration. Fixing broken links and crawl errors. Optimizing site structure for search engine crawlers. Implementing schema markup, structured data. Using Google Search Console for technical insights. Outcome. Build a technically sound website that is easy for search engines to crawl and index. Module 5. Off-Page SEO and Link Building. Importance of backlinks for SEO. Types of backlinks. Do-follow versus no-follow. How to earn high-quality backlinks. Link building strategies, guest posting, outreach, etc. Avoiding harmful backlinks, disavow tool. Building a strong online presence through social signals. Influencer marketing for SEO. Outcome. Develop a robust off-page strategy to build credibility and authority for your website. Module 6. Local SEO and Google My Business GMB. What is local SEO? Setting up and optimizing a Google My Business profile. NAP consistency: name, address, phone number. How to get more local reviews. Optimizing for near me searches. Local SEO tools and strategies. Outcome. Learn how to attract customers from your local area with effective local SEO practices. Module 7. SEO Analytics and Performance Tracking. Importance of tracking SEO performance. Setting up Google Analytics and Google Search Console. Measuring key metrics: organic traffic, bounce rate, CTR. Understanding SEO KPIs, keyword rankings, backlinks. How to create SEO reports for clients or stakeholders. Using tools like Ahrefs and SEMrush for advanced analytics. Outcome. Monitor your SEO efforts and adjust strategies based on real-time data insights. Module 8. Content Marketing and SEO. Role of content in SEO. How to create SEO-friendly content, blogs, articles, etc. Content marketing strategies for SEO. Topic clusters and pillar content. Optimizing for featured snippets and rich results. Updating and repurposing old content. Outcome. Create quality, optimized content that ranks well and drives organic traffic. Module 9. E-commerce SEO. SEO strategies for e-commerce websites. Product page optimization, titles, descriptions, schema. Category page optimization. Handling duplicate content in e-commerce. SEO for marketplaces: Amazon, eBay. Optimizing images and product reviews. Setting up SEO-friendly checkout pages. Outcome. Improve search visibility for online stores and increase product sales. Module 10. Mobile SEO and voice search optimization. Importance of mobile SEO. Mobile first indexing. Optimizing for voice search. Creating content that answers voice queries. Structured data for voice assistance. Tools for mobile SEO testing and optimization. Outcome. Prepare your website for the future with mobile and voice search optimization techniques. Module 11. SEO tools and software. Introduction to popular SEO tools. Free tools. Google Keyword Planner, Google Analytics, Search Console. Paid tools. Ahrefs, SEMrush, Moz. How to conduct a website audit with tools. Using plugins like Yoast SEO for WordPress. Outcome. Become familiar with essential SEO tools that streamline your workflow and improve results. Module 12. SEO algorithm updates and trends. Overview of Google algorithm updates. Panda, Penguin, Core updates. How to adapt to new SEO trends. SEO strategies for 2024 and beyond. The impact of AI on SEO. Preparing for future changes. Outcome. Stay ahead of the curve by understanding algorithm changes and emerging trends. Course features. Duration: 8 to 12 weeks. Self-paced or instructor-led. Format: video lessons, live sessions, assignments, quizzes, and practical projects. Prerequisites: no prior knowledge required. Certification: SEO certification upon completion. Support: access to community forums, Q&A sessions, and mentoring. Lifetime access: study at your own pace with lifetime access to course materials. Who should take this course? Digital marketers looking to enhance their SEO skills. Business owners who want to increase their website's visibility. Bloggers and content creators aiming to drive organic traffic. Freelancers seeking to offer SEO services to clients. Web developers interested in optimizing websites for search engines. Course benefits: hands-on learning. Apply SEO strategies to live projects. Updated knowledge. Stay current with the latest SEO trends. Job-ready skills. Prepare for roles like SEO specialist, content strategist, etc. Certification. Gain an SEO certificate to boost your resume. Flexible learning. Study at your own pace from anywhere. Course outcomes. By the end of this course, you will understand principles and strategies of SEO, be able to conduct keyword research and implement on-page SEO, optimize websites technically for better performance, build high-quality backlinks and manage off-page SEO. Use analytics tools to measure SEO performance and adjust strategies. Prepare for SEO challenges and algorithm changes. Conclusion: this full SEO course equips you with the essential knowledge and practical skills to optimize any website and improve search engine rankings. Whether you're new to SEO or want to refine your existing skills, this course covers everything you need to know to succeed in the competitive world of search engine optimization.